Hadian bagi lemi kijing kentok persya ek sarkar MDA dan keseng BJP ke badan langha kejuk ke kenhuan. Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak simpali jong ketayau lalu me kijing elang jongka coordination committee jong ke sarkar MDA pat kidkot jong ke sarkar sendrop belang kila syem me kijing kenok bagi keseng BJP ke labo bagi long di bom dan nongrim. Hagani kijing elang lawan bani syem benta di kidong elam jong keseng san pertai boper ke badan hak sarkar sendrop belang. Hak bakle tai sani halo kijing kenok persya ek sarkar MDA da unong elam ke BJP. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi dikhot kle tai sani bagi la ajing mod bagi dikhot ke MDA kemde ban kentok persya ek sarkar sendrop lang Shabar. Henry Ladon KA kide banwan ra abed hapo ke coordination committee jong ke MDA. Ulong bagi jing kenok bagi sarkar kamsyam syem khai ke kom trekam ke district council kalong ke babakla Shibun. Namar dek sarkar MDA ke bala phale ek audit inquiry ban toket alo ke jing penlut di kepisa hakini kishpos nem ke bala led ek district council ke bakentop ek Garo Hills bat ke Jante Hills Autonomous District Council. Ulong bala deki ong bak sarkar kamsyam la lei bat ke debru ban kendu yu menteri rangba bat kamsyam la poisyano kadai tang ke jing syukur namar gladap thong ya kenhuan ke ban toket bat sarkar klasyim khiaru un pentikna bak rukom trekam jeng district council kan bahas usyo bat latong administrator du officer ubra I bah ban pentikna banwara ke jing kala ke badan kam nang bagi kam kinyat syafran. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pau bus ngokmen bagi dikot ke MDA kilapan pau bagi dan ke jing syania ke MDA bat kilapan tikna bagian beteng ban kershan beretre lang bat ke sarkar jela haduk bandakut ke samoy trekam ban pentikna ru baborok kimat ki babu hakamat on la ban pen urlong. Ulong bulekran bat BJP National Vice President Dr. M. Chubaau bat keliatai sani bah halor ke babon kimat bat nakaliang Dr. Au ula pentikna bagi netrelang haduk bandakut ke samoy trekam.
And it was the opinion and suggestion of all the coalition partners that the coalition partners should not come out with these kind of allegations outside openly. And if there are issues, then we should first take it up with the government and in the coordination committee meeting. And only if situation is not resolved, then we can take further steps. But the first step would be to discuss within the coordination and within the government. All the members of the MDA felt that all these allegations were baseless. They have been very clear that if there are any issues or any concerns, then the concerned partners can always discuss with the Chief Minister and can bring it to the coordination committee. And felt that even the method and the way in which it was brought out was wrong and it shouldn't have been done. But as I said, we are not trying to rake up this issue anymore. We have decided as a coordination committee and as a MDA to now move forward from all of this and now ensure that we work in a much more coordinated effort and way to ensure that no such communication gap is there in between the members of the MDA. And both the MLAs have again reiterated that they will ensure that no such situation happens in the future. And in whatever the case may be, we will always work together as a coalition partner.
Menteri Rangba Kejela ulong bola pensyai hidkot jong ke MDA bak jing snai ke entry exit point ho umling kala jandab artat ban an sedang no ke jing thongkam ban bo iki breu ban penya ke ne kam ban la kemilenti ban pendap ke ne ke jing sna hapo ono ubnai dolor kene ulong bak hidkot kle kran ru ke bede bat ka klam COVID-19 ha ka babon kinong shak snong Kejela ki ma jing e aswa ban rong spok Kejela bat ki ha ban le ke test. Ulong bola pensyai bagalong badan kam ban le ke test COVID-19 ban pentikna bagi pat ba Kejela kin sengan bat ke sarkar kadang wat kilat kelenti ban pensuk syok iki pat ba ban le ke test ha bagi wan pai syak Kejela. Menteri Rangba ulong basyan unsel e kendo yulat Kejela ban pensyai halor ki kato ke dikimat ke bedai bat ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Amendment Bill arjar arpau hadin ulat Kejela usat tiapal malek ulapan pai biang syak sarkar Jela.
A lot of the coalition partners had some concerns regarding the COVID situation, about the fact that there are still a lot of difficulties that people are having while coming into the state, and the fact that testing is still going on in our state in terms of the entry. So we discussed all those aspects also and explained as to why testing is important, and we stress on the fact that the state will have to maintain some kind of screening to ensure that our people are safe. And at the same time, we will trying very hard to create a system that is going to be there in place, which will make it convenient for the people who are coming into the state. Then there were some issues regarding discussed about the entry-exit point also. So I briefed the members of the coordination committee that the entry-exit point, at least in Umling, is at the verge of completion. We have also started the recruitment process. The advertisements have been done for the manpower that is going to run this location, and we are very hopeful that the infrastructure will be set up as was committed in the House, which is within this month, and we should be able to get the manpower training and be able to operationalize the entire entry-exit point within a very, very short period of time, maybe a week or 10 days within the first week of December itself. So even in the future now, people who are going to come into the state need to go through a compulsory registration process. And this process will be made very easy through a software and an app that is going to be online, and within seconds the person can register and receive a QR code. So therefore we are achieving the purpose, but at the same time we're making it very easy for the people who are going to come into the state to simply provide the information and registration to us, and therefore the purpose, as I said, is being served, and we are being able to register and monitor the entry and the exit of people into the state.